So today, gagawa po tayo ng super creamy spaghetti Filipino style na maganda at napaka-yummy para ihanda sa ating pamilya, lalo na sa mga bata. So ito po ang ating mga ingredients. Cooking oil. So maglalagay rin po tayo ng hotdogs. Sasamahan na rin ng mushroom, corned beef, Nestle Cream, minced garlic, onion, black pepper, and of course, ang ating sweet style spaghetti sauce. So, start. So, gisa lang po natin ng ating bawang at sibuyas until it turns to golden brown. Then, sinabay ko na rin ang black pepper. Then, lagay na natin ang ating corned beef. Then, isinunod ko na rin ang ating hotdog with our mushroom. So, pinagsabay ko na po siya. So, tayo natin at least 2 minutes. Then, we can put our spaghetti sauce with parmesan and cheese. So, kalalabas talaga is super creamy ang ating spaghetti. Let's just simmer it for about 2 to 5 minutes. So, while simmering our sauce, nag-boil na po ako ng hot water para sa ating pasta. And now that our sauce is almost ready, we can put our Nestle Cream and let's just cook it in a low heat. See that? It's so creamy and so yummy. So, our kids will love it. Let's just mix it until it combine together. Actually, recipe po to na aking beautiful sister, Marinela Bilim. So, shout out to you. And please check out this channel, Faith and Daddy Lim Vlogs. So, eto na po. It's ready. Our creamy spaghetti is very ideal po para inda sa ating birthday parties or even sa family gatherings, di po ba? I am sure that every member of our family will surely love it. Para maging mas masarap siya, lagyan po natin siya ng cheese as our top. So, sa mga di po ba nakakakilala sa akin, ako po si Creamy Vlog at ito po ang aking channel. Hindi po ako totally expert, marihilig lang po talaga akong magluto. Please naman po, paki-like, subscribe, and comment down below at paalala, tamang komento lang po. And hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga future uploads ko. So maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood and see you next time!